Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Hocus Pocus Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Hocus Pocus Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners of my paper and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line the corners up one more time, and I'll give it another nice fold down the middle. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the first sister. So we're going to begin by drawing the top of the head, or the bottom I should say. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve around. We're going to go down and then up. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little curvy lines right across the top of the head like this. Next, I'm going to make two sad faces for the eyes. And a little line right across the bottom. We'll draw a little curved line here. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to make just a little bump for the nose. And then I'm going to draw a little smile. I'm going to make two bumps for a pair of lips. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, with another little line across. Next, I'm going to draw two eyebrows that just kind of come down. And then I'm going to make two little half circles for the ears. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple bumps that come up here, and I'll make a couple more bumps that come up here. I'm going to draw a couple more and then bring it down. So let's do a couple more and bring them down. And then we'll draw two right inside of there for some hair. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up for the neck. And then a little line's just going to come down on each side. Then I'm going to draw two little lines down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, down, and in. And then same thing here. We're just going to go up, down, and then in. Next, I'm going to bring this line up on each side for the arm. I'll draw a line that comes up and down for the thumbs. And then we'll draw a line that's going to come out and then down for the hand. Same thing here, just out and then down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here and over. And we're going to go down here a little bit farther and then bring this up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out
it's going to curve around here. And then I'm going to bring this out, down, and back.
It's going to be like the broom handle.
Draw a little curve. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to put some points on it and bring it back up here. Then I'm going to make a few little lines on here.
Now, once we have this, we want to open it up and draw the inside. Now, once we open it up, you can see that we have two halves of Winifred. So now what we have to do is we have to draw the other two sisters. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this line down here. I'm going to draw this line down and then come back up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and back here for the other broom. I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to make a little point down here for part of her robe. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, down, and around. Draw a little line on here. Then I'll make a line that's going to come up. We're going to put some different points on it and bring it back. And then let's go ahead and draw a few little extra lines on there for some details. Now, over here, let's finish off with Sarah. So I'm going to start up here a little bit, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and up for her head. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to go up and down. I'm going to draw two sad faces for her eyes. And then a little curved line underneath each one. I'll draw a curved line on each side here. And then I'm going to color in most of this. We're just going to leave just a little bit white in there for reflection. Make a little curve for the nose. And we'll add a little line underneath here for some mascara. We're going to draw a little line for a smile. Then we'll draw a little line above and below. We're going to do the little dot for the mole. And then we're going to make some evil eyebrows on here. Now, before we draw the hair, we got to kind of finish off her neck. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up on each side. I'll make a little bump for the thumb. And then a little line that's just going to curve around and in. Curve around and in. Then I'm going to come in here and in here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Then I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line here. I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Then I'm going to bring this up and this up. I'm going to make a little line across. And do like a little V shape in there.
Next for her hair, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then another one that's just going to curve down. And we'll go all the way to the arms. We'll come down to here and up. And down to here and up. We'll make a little half circle shape on each side for the ears. And then we'll draw an extra line in here for some more detail on the hair. Now the last one we have to draw is Mary Sanderson. So we're going to put her over here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down and up here for the head. I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines across. Then I'm going to draw a little wiggly line that comes down on each side for her hair. I'll make 2 sad faces. And then a line underneath each one. We'll draw 2 curved lines in here. And then we're going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. We'll draw a small bump for the nose. A little smile. And then 2 bumps for the top lip. And then we're going to put the bottom lip over here to the side. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and down for the ears. Then starting here, I'm going to draw some bumps for the sides of the hair. I'll make another bump here and another one here. I'll make 1 here and 1 here. And then we'll make a couple little bumps right over here. And we'll make a little squiggle down. Next, I'm going to draw 2 lines down for the neck. And then a line that's going to go out and in. Another line's going to go down and up. We'll draw a little bump for the thumb. And then just a little line's going to curve out and come down. And then we'll go in here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to come in. We're going to go down and then up here. Now right here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. We're going to come over and up because she's going to be riding a vacuum cleaner. Next, we're going to bring this line in. I'm going to bring this out and down. And then we'll curve this line around for the bag of the vacuum. Then I'm going to bring this line up, over, and down. I'm going to bring it down and in with another little line down. Next, I'll bring this line around here. And I'll add another little line in here. Then we'll draw a line here and a line here for the sleeves. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. And then a couple little X's. And then finally, we're going to give her some evil eyebrows too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Sanderson Sisters surprise fold.
So when we have it all folded up, we just have
one Sanderson sister. We've got Winifred. And then when we open it, you can see that we have Sarah and Mary in there as well. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.